How to use DeepSeek to trade crypto. So for example, you want to use DeepSeek to trade Bitcoin and then make some money. So what to do is first gather reliable data for analysis. So types of data you'll need is the price analysis, market sentiment, and the whale movements. And from data sources, you can look at Binance, Coinbase, or from trackers like Lunar Crush and then blockchains. Then step two is format the data for DeepSeek analysis. So unlocks DeepSeek's full potential. So this is how you can structure the price data. You need to have an example table format, including columns for dates, prices, or close prices and high and low values, and then trading volumes in a chronological order as well. So you can do the formatting sentiment data as well, as you can see here. And then do some data cleaning tips like these. Remove the duplicate entries to avoid misleading patterns, fill missing values using estimates or averages, and ensure the date formats are consistent. And then step three is write clear and focused prompts. So DeepSeek's performance hinges on the clarity and the focus of your prompts. So the more specific you are, the better insights you receive. So you can do check your clarity, the purpose, and then the focus. And here's some example prompts for DeepSeek. Now for technical analysis, you can do this. And then for market sentiment, you can do this prompt here. And then for strategy development, you can do this prompt as well. And you need to improve your prompt quality if you want to be more detailed and more specific on your coding. And then verification checklist. So verify DeepSeek's insights, and here's a list of them, like your trusted data source, market conditions, and the demo testing. And those are basically what you need to do and learn to use DeepSeek to trade crypto. And as you can see, you can use it by gathering data. And it's that simple. However, there are some limitations to DeepSeek and Bitcoin trading or crypto trading. So, like any tool, DeepSeek has its limitations, so there's no real-time access because it relies on provided data and doesn't pull live updates. And it also has no predictive guarantee, so the market predictions are inherently uncertain, and DeepSeek's insights should be one of the many factors in decision making. And that's basically how you can use DeepSeek to trade crypto.